Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to put a quick comparison review between these two brainstorming tools in order to find the best fit between these two AI platforms. Although both are powerful and all in one workspace, but they shine in slightly different way. So let's dive into it. Notion AI is very flexible and simple to start with. You can take notes, build list, use board, calendar, and link together with page together, link page together. It's AI help you write, organize, and refine content easily, which is great for people who want a clean space for notes, plan, and basic database. Notion also feel intuitive and is easy for new users to pick up with. Now, talking about Coda. Coda, on the other hand, is more like a mix of a document and a spreadsheet. With powerful building block, you curate interactive tables, formulas, buttons, and automated workflow inside your document. It's great for teams that want smart documents that do more than just store information. Coda can also feel more complex at first, but it's stronger if you need custom automation and complex logic. So in my opinion, I think the Notion AI is best for simple, flexible workspace, and Coda is best for advanced interactive document. And that's it. Hope any video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.